What's going on, everyone? Iron Eagle here from Thunder Eagle Algorithms. Today we are going to set up a Raiju, the Thunderbox, into your chart. First thing, you need to have underlying data 24 hour, 8 hours, and you do that by clicking on this data series button, and you just type the same ticker you have, and like M2K, which we have here. Then we add that. You type 480 in minutes, which going to be for 8 hours, and you change that for bars, and you make it 60. The same thing for the 24 hours. You add it, then you just change that to 1440 and set that for 60 bars. I am just going, then you click OK. I am clicking cancel. No need to click OK. Then you go to insert, and you go to the Thunder Eagle X, and you choose Raiju X. You put it, you insert that, then you add your license key here. After that, you can click save and save as default, saving the license key. No need to put it every time. Then you need to add no, you don't need to add anything. I use just one Raiju indicator. Then I am going to delete that. My indicator is identical. You can see here I have Raiju, not the Raiju X. It's identical to Raiju X, but it's open source, and it doesn't have a license key. Then you have in the first setting, show previous box, which means it's going to overlay the previous box with the new one. I don't use that. Then you go to the second settings, which is going to show the levels and the borders of the boxes. I keep it on these settings. I turn you can turn show previous open line. I keep it off because I already have it on in Anzo, the extreme levels. Then you have this arrows here. You can change that to percentile, which is going to show you the levels names. Then you have a time filter. I turn it off. Then you have volatility filters. I turn all these volatility filters off. You can use it if you are using it on a lower time frame. It's going to be helpful. Then I just turn off the first two levels. I want in this case, and I want to see the indices really extended. I don't want to watch them on unextended levels. Because of that, I turn the first levels off. Then I keep the up zone black and the down zone blue, which is going to be the black is resistance and the blue is support, generally speaking. Then you have labels colors. You have I like to have red over T9. I am just going to update this name. It was old name, but it doesn't matter that much. then I keep it on bar close, which you have to. Also, the most important thing is I like to calculate on the close of the previous bar rather than the high or the low. Then you just click OK. Then what does this indicator? What does this indicator is calculating? It takes the previous bar close, which is going to be equal to the current bar open, and it just visualize an extended bar. Like for example, here we took this bar and we visualized an extended bar. You can see here, this from here to here is visualization for extensions. Then if I want to trade mean reversion, then the best setup is going to occur near these boxes. Sorry. And what this boxes also does, it gives you a zone to risk. Like from this example, you can see here, you can short this zone not being accurate and risking the upper zone and taking a huge move to the downside, rather than like having a tight stop here and getting a stop down. Then the move is happening without you. I use this indicator as a guidance and a volatility filter. Like if the higher time frame isn't stretched enough, then like I don't like to trade with a huge size in this case. And I know like the move is going to be much smaller. For example, here you can short the lower edge of the Raiju, the extreme levels. Here, risking the upper level, which was Anzu, the extreme from the 24-hour chart. You short Raiju here and risking Anzu here. It just, these two systems work. These two indicators works as very strong system. Then the same thing here. You can short here, like risking there, stopping out, but you can retry again, shorting here, risking this zone, and taking a huge move to the downside. Like in this example, you can make in each trade over 4 hours. If you got stopped out once, isn't a huge issue. The same thing here. You can see it rallied up, then you can wait for the backside, rejected this zone, you risk over it and take a huge move to the downside. The same thing here. We already in support. It held almost take the upper edge of this zone. You can long here, risking the zone itself and take a huge move to the upside to the next Anzu extreme level. The same thing here. We blasted the box going to Anzu the extreme level from the 24-hour. We get rejected. You can short here, risking this zone just 5 points or 7 points. I like to use like 6 points as a preset. Then you take a huge move to the downside. How much? Like 40 points, almost 8 hours. Like Raiju, the Thunderbox, and Anzu, the extreme levels work with each others as very strong systems. I never saw system like that. Here we didn't have that much, but here you can see it. You can short the rejection. It was a FOMAC at 9 a.m. You can short once the momentum began to the downside here, risking over there and taking a huge move to the downside. You look at this, the same here in the morning. We rejected, but here we didn't have the box. We have Ansel extreme level. You can short here, taking it to the next level here. Very, very accurate system. Not that much here. Here you can like short this pub, risking over that level and take this downside move. This was a good example here. It almost hit the upper edge of the box and rejected to the downside to hit the Ansel extreme level. That resistance that became support. Like here you can risk a little bit, like 4 points, and take a huge move like 30-40 points, like 9, 8 hours, something like that. You can use Raiju on like 1 hour chart, and it's going to be like a lot of small boxes. Not a lot, but you will have some small boxes like you saw on the website here. I just stopped using that. I like to use the higher time frame, and that's it. I move from level to level, and that's what works for me. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.